Hi viewers, good morning. This is NJ. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, sabal khair, rajahao, privet, dhanyawad, namaskar, shotao, my students, girls and boys. Today we are going to view the use of phrases commonly used in speaking. These phrases are very important. These are used in daily communication of English speaking. Let's see these phrases and make a good practice with these phrases. Here you are. Let's start behind on the whiteboard. Here you see that first one is what do you do? 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 आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? This is a question. This is a query. And what is an interrogative adjective? What do you do? Commonly, this question is asked in daily routine many times, and there are so many possible answers. I am a servant. I am a doctor. I am a physician. I am a teacher. I am an architecture. I am a master. So there may be so many answers for this question. This is commonly asked in English societies where there is English is spoken. Let's see the next phrase. Next phrase. Can you see that? Next one is everything is ready. Everything is ready. हर चीज तैयार है. Everything is ready. हर चीज तैयार है. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. This is an informative statement. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. This is an informative statement that there are some tasks to be done, and when the task is over, then it said that everything is ready. Everything is ready. Everything is ready before that event, before that ceremony, before that function. So this is also very important phrase. It's commonly spoken in daily life. Let's see the next phrase. Next you see, next one is can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? This question, this query is asked when some people need some money to run their life, to run their daily routine works. So they need this money. So they go to those institutions or banks where they can borrow the loans, they can get the loans, they can borrow the loans. There are some big institutions, big organizations, as well as banks, private banks and national banks that 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 loan to the people, that give money to the people, that lend money to the people. So this question is asked even commonly in societies to some friends, among some friends, among people who deal in trade, who do trade. So they ask sometimes to each other, can I borrow some money? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow some money? क्या मैं कुछ पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. Next phrase is she will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. She will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. Compensate is a very common word. It's used to make good for others, to make good for others, and to make good for others. This is very commonly used. This phrase is very commonly used. This verb is very commonly used. She will she will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. There is, if there is some loss of assets, if there is some loss of money, if there is some loss of belongings, then one or other body has to make the loss, has to make good. So compensate means to 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 fulfill that requirement, to make the loss of others, to make good for others. So she will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. Compensate is a very common word. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one is keep it brief. Keep it brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. Keep it brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. Keep it brief is commonly spoken when there is some instructions or advice to keep brief some dialogue, to keep brief some essay, to keep brief some note. There is some certain notes, there is some particular notes, and there is some essays, there are some letters, there are some stories. So there are some topics which have to be noted. So keep it in brief. Keep it in brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. Keep it in brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. Keep it brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. तो कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक है, कोई भी ऐसा नोट है, तहरीर है. नोट मीन्स तहरीर, जिसे मुख्तसर और जामिल रखना हो. कोई भी ऐसा एसे है, लेटर है, कोई ऐसा डायलॉग है, स्टोरी है, कुछ ऐसी इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं जिन्हें मुख्तसर जो है जामे और मुख्तसर तौर पे रखना है, नोट में लाना है, तो कहा जाता है कीप इट ब्रीफ. कीप इट इन ब्रीफ. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. कीप इट इन ब्रीफ. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. Don't intrude on my privacy. 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 मेरे ज़ाती मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में तलब ना दो. This phrase is also spoken in societies when it is required. This is an request or advice. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल मत दो. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Hey you guys, my students, Shraddha, these are very interesting phrases. Let's repeat them once again. आइए एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. The first one is, here you see that. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? I'm a physician. I'm a physician. I'm a doctor. I'm a singer. I'm a master. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a master. I'm a physician. I'm an architecture. I'm an architecture. I'm an architecture. There may be so many other answers. There may be so many other answers for this question. What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? Let's see the next one. Next one is everything is ready. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. हर चीज तैयार है. 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 And next is can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? Can I borrow money? क्या मैं पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ? And next is she will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. She will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. She will compensate my loss. वो मेरे नुकसान का अजाला करेगी. And next is keep it brief. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. इसे मुख्तसर रखो. 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 And next is don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. Don't intrude on my privacy. मेरे निजी मामलात में दखल ना दो. Here you guys, these are very interesting phrases. Memorize these phrases and please keep on watching my videos and subscribe to my channels. Please do give your comments. I'll see you again. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye.